Are we rolling? Okay.
Yeah. You are.
Welcome to Ultimate Sports Bike.
And these are the hottest bikes of 2019.
This is Ultimate Sports Bike.
And these are the hottest 8 bikes of 2019.
And we're here at Cadwell Park to give them a good pasting before taking them out on the road and doing some speed testing at Front and Forth.
All to find out which of these models you want most in your garage. So stay tuned and let's have a lap. Look at them with the funnels out.
Look at us doing work.
Are you enjoying yourself, boys?
So that's it, 3 solid days of graphs come to an end. It's been epic, but it's been pretty hard work, hasn't it?
Well, it's been hard work.
It's not going to work, is it?